If you're looking for a community in Davenport that you can buy a home in the low 400,000s that's zoned for great schools and that's located just off of Highway 27, the main stretch here in Davenport, then you found the place. Today, we're gonna show you guys phase 3 of KB Home Bellaviva in the Championsgate area. Let's go take a look. Bellaviva 3 at West Side. We have houses here in the low 400,000s and we're looking at bungalows. They have sold single family houses here, townhouses, built community amenities, and up next, the final phase is these 35-foot bungalows. Now, these are not your traditional single family homes, nor are they townhomes. They're kind of a combination of both, where you have rear facing garages and the houses are a little bit thinner than they traditionally are. Here we have 2-story homes that are between 1,573 square feet all the way to 2,039 square feet. We have them ranging from 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths on all of them, and a 2-car garage. You're conveniently located right next to US 27. You're only a few minutes away from I-4 and Highway 429 as well for access to the Orlando or Tampa areas. This community is zoned for West Side K through 8, as well as Celebration High School, which are both highly rated schools in the area. Nearby here, you have Posner Park, which is a full outdoor mall. If you haven't seen our video on it yet, we'll put a link to it right up here. You also have access to Highway 27, which has been growing like crazy over the last few years. So if you're looking for a place in Davenport that's not in the very southern part of Davenport, that's convenient, that's close to good schools, and that's going to get you a house in the low 400,000s, then this is the place. Now let's go check out this model. All right, guys, so here we have the 1852 floor plan. One thing I like about KB Homes is that they name their floor plans the exact square footage of the house itself. So as you guys can see here, we have the garage is in the rear. Now, Lenny, I want you to show them right over here. Here's a regular single family house, and you guys can see that they have the garage in the front as a normal home would. But here with the bungalows, you have no garage in the front, and you can see that the house is a little bit thinner than the single family houses. The garage is in the back, and that kind of promotes this neighborhood feel where all of these houses are all going to have their front doors here, and there really shouldn't be any vehicles kind of parked in front of the house. All right, guys, so let's go inside. Let's take a look. This is a very, very thoughtfully designed floor plan for one that's only 35 feet wide. So when you walk in, you're greeted here by the living area. Here we have the living room as soon as you walk into the door. Right over there, we have the dining room and the kitchen as well. One thing I like about this kitchen so far is that they do have a lot of cabinet space up here. They maximize the use of the space right up here. We've got a nice island with a double sink right in here. And then we've got the pantry right over here to the left. Good sized pantry, not that bad. We're gonna take it back up to the front of the house really quick so you guys can see here we have a half bathroom. Across from it we have the laundry room right down here. And then we have a linen closet here. I like the fact that we have these glass doors right here. So it brings in a lot of light towards the dining space. It also gives you access to be able to walk out through the side of the house as well. I just noticed also, it looks like we have taller ceilings than usual here. These look to be about 9'4". We'll verify that for you guys, but it makes the space feel grand. Now right back here, we're not gonna show you this because we don't want you to think your garage comes like this, but this is where the garage would be right back over here. So you park in the back of the home and then you would walk in this direction most of the time. Now, let's go take a look upstairs. One thing I quickly love about this is this big window right up here, and it's also really open up here whenever you get up here to the stairs, so it doesn't feel so compressed and so tight. Up first, we're gonna go down this side of the home. Here you've got a nice landing area, this loft right up here. This is actually spacious. You can put a nice L-shaped couch over here if you'd like, or you could just have the one right over here. And you even have enough space over here for one like this that has this part coming out. We'll show you guys here the energy savings comparison. KB Home is really, really big on building energy efficient homes. It's one of their biggest selling points.
So are you enjoying the video so far? I wanted to let you know that we found something out. Over 70% of our viewers are not subscribed to our channel, but it's so easy to do it. So I'm gonna tell you right now. You need to go and subscribe and hit the little bell for notifications so you get notified every time we post a video like this. And if you like it, give us a thumbs up. It helps us reach more families like you. Now let's get back to the action.
Up next, we're gonna take you guys into the master bedroom right over here. Love 3 windows. If you watch our videos, you know I'm a window kind of person. This is a king size bed. We have 2 large nightstands here on the side, so you guys can see that there's plenty of room in this bedroom here for you to have not only your bed, but you can even add a vanity if you wanted to, or extra decorations for those of you that love to have a very highly decorated rated room. I wish you could see Lenny behind the camera. Here we have the master bathroom, dual sinks. We have a glass shower. For those of you moving from up north, we don't get a lot of bathtubs here anymore, but this place does have a extended shower, which I really do like. Usually they're about this big. I do love that here. We have a linen closet. Actually, that is huge. Wow, hadn't opened that door yet. Of course they would put up racks for you guys. And then here we have the master closet. Nice walk-in closet as well. You've got plenty of space in here. And then you've got, kind of wish they had a door here, but I understand why they don't. Maybe they will. I will find out if they do, but you have the toilet there. All right, right next to the master bedroom, we have bedroom number 2. This is a nice sized room here. We've got a nice little closet here. We've got one window, kind of wish they had 2. I love my windows, but this looks to be a full, maybe a queen size bed. So you've got plenty of space for one of your children, or this could be an office, entirely up to you. All right, let's go to the other side of the house. And here we have bedroom number 3. This seems to be the smallest out of the 3 right over here on this side of the home. And it does have its own closet as well. Forgot to show you guys right over here, we do have, wow, that's deep. Nice linen closet over here in the hallway. We have the AC unit right over here. And last but not least, we have the second bathroom upstairs. So this makes bathroom number 2 upstairs outside of the master bedroom. We have single sink, and we have a nice vanity area right here. Let us know in the comments what you thought of this model.
Just wanted to interrupt this video to let you guys know that we don't work for the builder. We are independent realtors, and we work for clients like you to represent you, to make sure that you get the best deal, to make sure that you get the best representation. We're your boots on the ground. We go to the inspections and walkthroughs if you can't make it down here. So just wanted to let you know that the builder also pays our commission. Whatever they pay us is what we take. So you can have us on your side at no extra charge. Now let's get back to the action.
All right, guys, we've reached the end of the video. This was a quick hitter for you guys. They only have the one model house here, but this community is beautiful. They've had a lot going on here over the years, and it is right next to Championsgate, right off of Highway 27. You're a few minutes away from I-4 and Posner Park. If you're looking for a house, a bungalow that is going to be around $400,000, then it's a no-brainer. You'll love this area. Lenny, what you got?
And if you're looking for a brother-sister duo that really wants to make this process as fun and seamless as possible, then call us and let's get to work.
All right, guys, we're the Friendly Real Estate Group. We appreciate you guys watching this video. We hope you're having an amazing day. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the little bells for notifications so you get notified every single time
A video like this gets posted.
we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.